In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI Image Generator for e-commerce branding. So start by opening up Canva, then make sure that you are on Canva AI page, and here under this text box, choose image and start typing a prompt that matches your brand style. And here's an example. You can also choose a style like a realistic, 3D, or illustration depending on your brand identity. Also choose your preferred layout or ratio. Then click on the submit button to start generating the image. And of course, select the one that best fits your brand. Once done, you can use it in your designs for product listings, social media posts, website banners, and ads. You can also create a consistent brand look by using similar colors, lighting, and styles across all your images. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!